Hello from Slovenia again. I want to talk about this thing that I ordered. It is all for art, Phoenix all for art, professional fine artist materials, and it said waterproof wooden support, ideal for mixed media and liquid paints. So it's basically like MDF canvas, but it has this edge here, a little bit of the edge, because I did this one. How can I show you? You see, it has a little bit of this edge, so I decided that I want to try to do some bottle bottom, cup bottom reverse flower dip and then resin it. So I just have to put this like this. Okay. I didn't pull all my paint off. This is the good thing. I don't know, maybe I will even paint my wooden thing around with black, that it will match kind of. But I'm not sure about these colors, so, and we will of course have to wait how this will dry, because I don't know. I know that my pouring medium doesn't crack on canvas, but I don't know how it will react on this wooden thing. I just have to turn it around to see. What is going on with my middle. Okay, I don't mind a little black here, so let me take you for a close-up. It's kind of cute, pale flower. Whoops, sorry. With some nice lacing, but I'm not over the moon with the shape or something. Or maybe I should do white background for this one, because it's kind of pastel-y looking flower. I think that this, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure in these colors together. Maybe different order. Maybe I should do blues first, I don't know. And I really don't know. So, but for now it worked, and I will let you know in one of, I don't know, next videos. I don't know when this will dry. I will keep you posted. I don't know, keep you informed what is going on. I hope that it will not crack anyway, because maybe when I will put this off, it will look nicer than it looks now. So it dried okay, and I already put first coat of resin on top, and one client asked me to paint my sides with black, and I will varnish them. I just paint them. Before they were just a natural wood. I will put another coat of resin too, because it has some imperfections, but I'm glad that it dried okay, because I was afraid that it will crack or something because it's on wood, but it's everything dried okay and nice. So just want to let you know, and I will definitely do some more of these wood things. So this is it, and see you on the next one. Bye.